Hello, Uptown Swing Level 1 Charleston, the makeup class.
Val and Peter.
That's right. We did fancy stuff.
Yeah.
We had kickaways. Hey, ha, hoo, ha. We're doing our kickaways. And then we did double kick, double kick, double kick, double rock step. And then I changed direction. Now we're in what's called hand to hand. Hey, ha. From here, we could go double kick, double kick, double kick, double rock step, single, single, and bam, we're back. Remember one thing about getting into the kickaways, we talked about the hip, the little twisty can make that feel better.
Yeah, really catch that hip, otherwise it's weird.
We also talked about skip ups. When we're doing skip ups, we can't just be here and be like, kick, and then hope to turn back, you will die. So we need to get a feeling of in, ha, ha, in, and then we can roll back. We had you mix it up with a bunch of stuff. Great job. We'll see you next time.